Question number 7. If R is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, S is equal to 0, 2, 4, T is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, then find R difference S. Students, this is the sign of difference. This is the sign of difference. This is the sign of difference, and this is the sign of difference. The first operation of sets is union. Second operation of sets is intersection. The third operations of set is difference. Now, how we define difference of two sets? Consider any two sets A and B, then their difference A minus B is a set which contains all the elements of set A which are not present in set B. Let's understand this definition with the help of example. Student, we denote union as U, intersection as just like this, and difference just like this line, or we may express like minus sign. We can also express difference a straight minus sign or such type of line. Well, first of all, we will find R difference S, or we can read it as R minus S. So we need here two sets R and S. So I have written here set R 0, 1, 2, 3 and set S 0, 2, 4. Now we will find R minus S. For this purpose, first of all, we will write elements of set R, then sign of difference is there, and then we will write all the elements of set S. Now students, in difference, now we will find difference, that is R minus S. We will write here all the elements of set R, all the elements of set R which are not present here, which are not present here. First of all, check which elements are present in both the set. 0 is here, 0 is here, so we don't need this 0. Okay, okay. 2 is here, 2 is here. We don't need this 2 in difference. Well, our work has completed. Now 1 not here, 3 not here. So we will write in difference all the elements of first set. First set remaining elements 1 and 3. We will not write this 4. We will write only the elements of first set, that are 1 and 3, and this is difference. Hope you understand. Difference of two sets contains all the elements of first set which are not present in second. See the next, T minus S means we need T and we need S. Here T 1, 2, 3, 4 and S is 0, 2, 4. Now we will find T minus S. For this purpose, we will write T minus S or T difference S. First we write all the elements of set T, then we will put difference sign, and then we will write all the elements of set S. Now simply check which elements are present in both the sets. 2 is here, 2 is here, just cut down this 2. We don't need this 2. 3 is here, no, 3 is here, of course we need it. 4 is here, 4 is also here, we don't like this 4, we will cut this 4. Now see, remaining element of first set are 1 and 3. We will not write this 0. This is against the definition of difference. In difference, we will write all the elements of first set which are not present here. So we will write 1 and 3. See part number 4, that is S minus R or S difference R, means we need set S and set R. So we have written here set S and set R. Well, now S difference R, first of all we will write S, then we will put sign of difference, and then we will write set R. Now see, 0 is here, 0 is here, we don't want this 0. Okay, 2 is here, 2 is also here, we don't want this 2 also. 4 is here, but 4 is not here. Yes, we like this 4. We will write this 4 in our S minus R. These two numbers are there, but we will not write these two numbers. We will write only this 4 according to the definition of difference, that in difference we have written only those elements of first set which are not present in second set. Exercise 1.2, question number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are your homework. Do your work and send me the images till 9 p.m. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.